Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free video for Thursday, we're going to start off here with Oxy. So the name has really been in play for a couple of days now since the announcement of Buffett and Berkshire's desire to accumulate more of the company. But, regardless of what the headlines may be, I like looking for situations where you have clearly outstanding volume and then taking from that moment really the idea of one time framing, or is just to say, we can identify that this huge volume, big candle day is important. From that moment forward, I want to see that we stay inside the range of the previous bar or continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So the day immediately after was a range day. The day that followed, higher high and higher low. Today's session concludes with a higher high and higher low. So as long as that is maintained, I'm going to look for continuation to the buy side, and I'm going to do it into the 1272 extension of the most recent swing high to swing low and use that as my primary target. Now, that's the big picture that I see inside there, and I'm going to take that work and then bring it down into the 30-minute chart, because here we have a mature squeeze where I'm usually looking for at least 5 bars of compression and thinking that when the squeeze does finally resolve, similar to what it did back here, a directional move will be made and ideally takes us up into those extensions. So this is the name that I had in mind when I wanted to create this video for you guys tonight, and I hope you find that helpful if you're involved with it. But then another that came up is Snow, and this is just off of their earnings here, and I believe you were looking at about a $15 expected move. So with the bid up here at 185, you're starting to approach a 2x move, or a move that is twice what market makers expected. And if you can see that type of strength, that is very helpful for continuation. And I think you can look at this and just say, even if we open up here at 185, essentially this is the high you have to focus on. It's going to be 179.95. That comes in on August 11th. And if we open above that swing high, if we open up twice the expected move, I believe that will offer continuation into 200, into 220, and then maybe even keeping an eye on this gap up here closer to 260. Obviously not all in one day, but there's a couple ways to take advantage of that, and that's another momentum name that may be in play tomorrow. So I hope you find the update helpful. Have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.